Babe, babe, you have to wake up now. Come, babe. You only have said that. Brushing not done completely. Babe, you're not gonna wake up, you're just a turn. Hey guys, good morning. Just wake up, well probably 40 minutes ago. Took a bath. Now Lovell and Luci them wake up. It's early in the morning. See it? Morning just a come out. It's 6 o'clock. I don't know, consider 6 as early. And we're going on the road. And I'm gonna take you guys with me. So I'm just try to put on something real quick. I think Luci in the bathroom. Guys, I threw me a lotion. See the 6:05 now. Oh. Did you trick me?
It was sweet.
Okay, we could just take 40 minutes. Right? Guys, we'll come back. Thank you. But I got lay down back home.
I'm not laying down.
Right up back here. Here. So I just spread my bed. Even if I don't do nothing in the house, I just spread my bed. You know wake up yet? Guess where I go?
Where?
Guess.
Well, me not enough foreign, so.
So mommy, me get one dream last night, I see. In my dream, me not Christian nor nothing. But when the person tell me I tell the person so me I go pray for them. And by the time if I say it, mommy, me just start praying and getting a spirit, you know. I speak all tongues. And time me done pray. We come like say I'm a life left my body. The word them what me I say is like me I say. They don't want me learn them a new word there. I pray.
Everybody, good morning.
Alright.
And I pray before I leave.
Yeah, when Joseph come out of the bathroom. It's either you talk to me and done the bachelor when me go up on the road you can't check for me. Pick one.
Alright. Go on.
Okay, bye. So I want a black shirt.
No, look, sir.
For match me. Look my shirt game. You know, dress up, you know? You know, dress up occasion.
That's why I say, see the shirt here.
Which shirt? I think I had to start with that, you know?
Oh.
So, they say draw there full. Guys, I don't have no dirty clothes. None. That's the best feeling ever. Yeah, why we not remember one? Good morning. I love your little outfit. It's so cute. Yeah, mommy a bed. I know almost all of the nursery rhyme them, but please pay attention. Because some of them just don't make no sense. Like when I sit down and listen to it, I have to say, you know where you make the picnic sit down and listen to? Almost will finish there. She have fresh up for come for a little munchkin. Hey, pretty girl. Hey, pretty girl. Auntie Munchkin. Auntie Munchkin. Jesus loves little children. All the children of the world. Red and blue, black and white. Every precious little sight. Jesus loves the little children of the world. Yay! Jesus loves the little children. All the children of the world. Hey, red and yellow, black and white. All the precious little sight. Jesus loves the little children of the world. Jesus loves the little children. All the children of the world. Red and yellow, black and white. Every precious little sight. Jesus loves the little children of the world. Yay! That was a workout. Who come meet a supporter. Her name is Latoya. I'm soon show her. She excited. Guys, my ear look good, though. Never sort him out. You look fake?
So it look good, you look fake.
And it a pull up now and it's not that bad. You say products of me. Oh, you're not giving me money for products?
I tell you, say somebody on the vlog go buy my products, man.
Well, nobody did.
Like I tell.
So you love comfort, you lean your head sideways. You love comfort, you say? I'm gonna kind of love it. Right now, put it in the wall, you suck your finger and drop asleep.
Hey, come on. Are you looking at by?
Stop here! You're not try!
Hi guys!
So guys, this is Latoya.
Finally! I'm so excited!
She happy, you see? She happy bad. For the place, your place nice.
Thank you!
Really nice. It's lunchtime. But let me ask you one question. Comment below and let me know when you get KFC one order. Zinger, famous bowl, 2-piece, 3-piece, or wings. I hate big chicken. So wings are my thing. Not girl. I want pose now do? I dare. Come show them how you pose. Oh,
Just right here.
Alright, what?
Thanks for having us. Yeah, she's so sweet. So guys, we're gonna leave now. Today was fun, a chill day.
Gia, Reza, Luci, Lovell, baby Adiana.
Really appreciate it. Thank you so much.
I'm crazy about no.
Hey guys, so we made it home safe and before the curfew, so thank God for that. But today was a fun day, you know, a pretty chill day. Today did just feel like something we did need to do. Nothing too much, but just hang out. It's something nice to drink and all of that. I never did really record much. I did just try to like soak in the moment. You know, just to put your life out there and people just appreciate you for you. It really feel good, trust me. Go clean up myself and drink the coconut here. I get coconut and I bring it home. Cause you know you can't really too rush everything. But guys, if you're new to my channel, welcome. If you're there a long time, thanks for tread the journey with me. Road to 100k. Guys, remember the giveaway at 70k. I have some on the gifts them ready. Nice gifts. Bye guys.